Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock any user that you have blocked on your Bluesky account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bluesky application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address or your username and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, if you wish to unblock any user that you have blocked from your account, then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. From here, tap on Settings and then tap on Moderation. Now, within the Moderation section, you will see the Blocked Accounts option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will now see all of the accounts that you have blocked. Now, if you wish to unblock any profile, go ahead and tap on this username, and you will then be taken into their page, where you will find the Unblock button. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will now be asked whether you are sure that you want to unblock this account. Tap on the Unblock button once again in order to confirm. And now, this profile will be unblocked within your Bluesky account right away, and you will now be able to see their posts and react as well as comment on it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unblock any user that you have blocked on the Bluesky application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.